Hello guys and welcome to another video from Time of Business. Today we'll be discussing some Etsy millionaires. So what do the most successful Etsy shops sell on Etsy? Now if you're new to the channel, Time of Business is the perfect place to learn how to grow your online business, whether you sell on Etsy, Shopify, eBay, or have a YouTube channel or a blog. This is where you need to be in order to grow online. So guys, today we'll be looking at some of the most successful Etsy stores when it comes to the number of sales. Some of them have over 1 million sales in total, and you can get a feeling about the products that they sell, how they made it, and what you can learn from them and apply to your Etsy store in order, maybe at some point, to be just as successful. So we are going to jump on our computer and have a look at these amazing stores.
We just jumped on our computer and we are going to look at a few stores that overcome or surpassed the amount of $1 million. So we are going to use the website Etsy Hunt, where you can go and check out the top 500 Etsy shops and you can browse through all of them and you can look at their number of sales, feedbacks, what country they are from, and also what kind of business they have, so party, supplies, electronics, and so on. Now, the first one and the most successful Etsy store of all time is Caitlyn Minimalist. So as you can see, they already have almost 2.2 million sales. They mainly sell jewelry, a lot of personalized jewelry. We also have a dedicated video to the store alone. So if that is something that you are interested in, make sure to check out the link in the description below or watch the video on our YouTube channel. They sell both personalized and ready to go jewelry. So this is a very cool Etsy store to check out if you plan on selling jewelry on Etsy, or if you want to find some more inspiration about what type of jewelry sells on Etsy. As you can see, their average price is around $20. So if you take that and multiply by the number of sales, they have already surpassed the $40 million mark. So that is something very impressive. Moving along to the next store, Planner Kate 1. This is one of the biggest stores when it comes to planners, stickers, and everything that has to do with organizing your time. So a lot of planners, different designs, as you can see, a lot of kits, stickers, and everything. So this is a very good uh, resource, and stickers, planners sell like crazy on Etsy. Once again, almost 2 million sales with an average order of maybe around $5, since they also have the bundles, the packs of planners. So as you can see, they maybe have around $10 million in sales. The third store, once again, something very different and unique. Here we have Mod Party, which is at 1.6 million sales, and they mainly focus on the wedding occasion. And as you can see, they have a lot of bridesmaids, proposal, gifts, shirts, everything that has to do with bridesmaids, with proposals, baby shower, everything related to wedding can be purchased in this store, and that is why they are very successful. As you can see, all the stores up to this one focus on a type of product, and they do add as many variations as possible. They also have an average order of around $15 to $20. So if you take their number of sales and multiply it, you can already see that they are around $20-30 million in sales. Here we have a store that sells very unusual products and something that not many Etsy sellers sell. So as you can see, Seed Kicks, they only focused on plants, so seeds, different plant seeds, and they have all those variations. The prices range from $2 to $20, and as you can see, they have a large number of sales, most likely already surpassed the $1 million mark when it comes to the total value in sales. And if you are passionate about gardening, plants, seeds, you can definitely try to open your store on Etsy, and you can definitely be very successful by doing that. The fifth store is Beatboat 1. which sells mainly jewelry craft supplies. So as you can see, all the beads, necklaces, small loops, different natural stones. They also have some pendants. So as you can see, they sell both craft and supplies and also some jewelry pieces that are already done, so you can actually order them and wear them. So this is something very interesting. They have over 8,000 products. So usually the big craft and supplies stores, they have a large number of products because they want to rank for as many products as possible, and it is very hard to compete with these stores because in order to open such a store, you need a lot of suppliers in order to offer all those products, so all those types of products at competitive prices. Here we have Acorn and Crow Studio, which is a store that only focuses on stickers. And as you can see, they sell a lot of individual stickers. They have very cool, unique sticker designs. A lot of them are gothic, Halloween, unusual skulls, floral. As you can see, they have a shop style, something that is very common until all of the stores so far. So if you are graphic designers, if you enjoy making stickers, Etsy once again is a great place to sell your stickers. And if you take one sticker, let's say $4, and multiply it by almost 400,000 sales, that is over $1 million in sales just by making stickers and selling them on Etsy. Here we have North Prince, which is a very cool Etsy store that sells a lot of prints. So as you can see, they have these antique paintings that they have digitalized, and now they are selling either individual digital download print, or you can go and purchase a collection of prints in the same style, or if you want to have different styles, so floral, landscape, and so on. And you can see that, let's say, with an average of $4 per sale, they have already surpassed the $1 million mark. This is one of the biggest Etsy stores when it comes to prints, especially these vintage, antique, rustic digital prints. So they are very well known, and as you can see, they already have almost 1,000 different designs or packages on their store. So once again, another cool idea with products to sell on Etsy. Here we have another store that sells a lot of stones, beads, necklaces, pendants, and so on. So once again, craft and supplies works very good on Etsy. Almost 1 million sales on Etsy. The next one is Twist Stationery, and as you can see, 500,000 sales. They sell a lot of cards, save the date cards, so wedding cards, wedding invitations, gifts, stickers. So they focus on these various wedding planner cards, invitations, and they most likely will have a design, and then they can simply fill in the blanks with your name, with your date, and that way they can offer customers a large variation, so a large number of possibilities of different designs. And this is once again a very cool business idea that you can open on Etsy. As you can see, they are most likely a team of 4 girls that opened this business, and it is very successful. They have already made over $2-3 million on Etsy, so that is very impressive. Here we have once again another craft and supplies store, a lot of stones, different variations. You can also see that they sell a mystery box, so that is something very interesting as well. Now moving further, a different type of store. Here we have Heather Roberts Art. You can see that they sell a lot of pre-cut SVG files. So they have the bundles where you can go and purchase a large variety of packs, or you can go and purchase individual ones. You can see they are at $1 each. You won't make a lot of revenue per sale because you have to pay 0.25 cents in order to list the product, and then you have to also pay fees when you sell a product. So let's say that they make around 50 cents for every dollar, but that is something once again very impressive. They already have almost 800,000 sales. So if you also take the bundles into consideration, Most likely this store has over $1 million in sales. Here we have a different type of craft and supplies store. So Happy Kawaii Supplies, and they sell a lot of jewelry or party supplies. You can see pendant charms, they have confetti, they also have polymer clay rounds, and a lot of different products. As you can see, very cool and interesting pictures. And here on the left side you have a lot of different holidays, different types of products. So this is a very cool and easy way to organize your Etsy store and to make it very easy for your customers to find different products within your Etsy store, especially when you have, as you can see, 7,000 products. The last store is World Incense Store. Once again, a lot of stones and beads, so a lot of jewelry and craft supplies. As you can see, they have a lot of variations, and these are great stores, especially for Etsy sellers as well. So there are a lot of Etsy sellers that sell jewelry that want to find a provider, so a supplier for their stones, for their necklaces, for their pendants, and that is where these stores come in and can actually provide all types of products. So almost 1 million sales, and as you can see, with an average of $5-10 per item, you can get a feeling of the total revenue this store has generated. So guys, once again, if you want to grow successful on Etsy, make sure to check out our website, timeofbusiness.com. We have a free guide, so the ultimate free guide to a successful start on Etsy. You can go and grab that for free, link in the description below. And also make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Time of Business, because we have a lot of videos on how to grow on Etsy, Etsy Q&As, titles and tags, product descriptions, so everything that you need to grow on Etsy and to have a successful journey on Etsy.
So that was the video, guys. I hope you are inspired and you are now going to grow your Etsy store even more and apply those changes so that you can thrive on Etsy and make even more sales. So if you found this video useful, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the video, leave a comment, and until next time, guys, all the best.